In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 with a controller. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Euro Truck Simulator 2 works with any controller natively. However, some of them have a hard time being detected. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a process to help troubleshoot issues related to controllers. All you have to do is open up the Euro Truck Tube page on your library, and as you can see, I am doing this process on the demo, but this is going to work for the full game. When you click on Euro Truck Simulator 2, you will be able to access the gamepad settings. In the game page on your library, you are going to be able to access this gamepad icon. If you do not see it, click the settings icon, go into the properties, and then switch to the controller tab. What you have to do after you switch this to use default settings is click the gamepad icon and click the settings icon one more time. In here, disable Steam input. I know this is counterintuitive, however, doing this will make sure that Euro Truck Simulator 2 properly detects any sort of controller that you have. Of course, if your controller is already being picked up and you don't have any issues, you don't have to disable Steam input. However, as you can see, doing so will make sure that we have access to keyboard plus controller. So, if you only had access to keyboard only before, you will now have access to keyboard plus controller, and you can go ahead and resume playing the game with any sort of controller that you have. I'm not going to spend any time setting up my controls, but as you can see, rotating the joystick and pressing buttons does actions in the game. Like I said, I won't spend time in this video properly setting everything up. I just want to showcase that it works, and as long as you do this process by disabling Steam input, you will be able to play through the entirety of Euro Truck Simulator 2 with a controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 with a controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.